Today we're going to look at the light tape emergency battery backup system, originally installed by Lister Electrical at the National Trust's Nunnington Hall in North Yorkshire. The system is designed to provide a battery backup to operate light tape as an emergency egress light in the case of a mains power failure. The unit has a mains input that drives a 12-volt transformer, which in turn provides a trickle charge to the backup battery. Should the mains power fail, an internal relay switch connects power from the battery to the DC inverter, which in turn drives the light tape. Today we have it connected to a DC 100, which is driving 2.5 meters of 25mm or 1 inch light tape. Here we can see the inside of the unit with the mains input driving a 12-volt transformer, which in turn drives the trickle charge, which is charging the battery. There you see the relay and the 12-volt 4-amp hour battery. With this particular battery we drove a 25mm wide or 1 inch wide piece of light tape that was 5 meters long for over 12 hours without needing to recharge the battery. The system has an override switch, so the light tape can be driven directly from the 12-volt transformer connected to the mains. That's in case you need to provide ancillary lighting. Now, to test the battery backup, we've got a small key. We put it into the test slot and switch it on, and there is the light tape being driven directly from the battery, and the mains is now disconnected. So we'll put that back to reset, and now we can do a simulated mains failure. As you can see, we've zoomed out a little to allow us to see more of the actual room, and when I unplug the mains, the light tape comes on immediately, driven from the battery backup system, and as you can see there's sufficient light to allow us to exit the building safely, avoiding any trip hazards in the case of an emergency. And that is the light tape battery backup system.